Managing risk and compliance for a bank, credit union, or fintech in 2026 can feel like an absolute mountain of paperwork. But what if you could automate the hardest parts using built-in AI? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're looking at Ncontracts, an integrated risk and compliance management platform built specifically for the financial industry. If you are trying to navigate complex regulations without losing your mind, this tool might be exactly what you need. Let's dive into how it works and how you can use it to streamline your operations. First, what actually is Ncontracts? It's a comprehensive platform that brings risk, compliance, vendor management, and audits into one single connected dashboard. Instead of using 5 different spreadsheets and legacy tools, Ncontracts connects everything. One of its biggest highlights is how they've integrated artificial intelligence to save you time. Inside their compliance software, Ncomply, they've introduced a feature called Nquery. Think of it as your highly specialized compliance assistant. If you have a complex regulatory question, you can ask Nquery, and it delivers cited, auditable answers in just minutes. This means you aren't just getting random AI guesses, you get actual, traceable sources you can rely on during an audit. Beyond that, Ncontracts offers AI-powered vendor contract management, complaint management, and even regression analysis for lending compliance. Their adaptive enterprise risk management platform gives you real-time risk analysis tools and pre-built expert model content tailored to your specific institution setup. Now, let's talk about user reviews and feedback. Because Ncontracts is a highly specialized enterprise software designed for financial institutions, public consumer reviews on standard retail platforms are very limited. We don't have a giant list of third-party pros and cons to share today. However, the numbers speak for themselves. They have over 15 years of experience, more than 25 industry partnerships, and support over 5,000 financial industry clients. To get started and see it in action, the process is simple. Head over to ncontracts.com and request a personalized product tour or demo. Because financial institutions have highly specific compliance needs, their team will help tailor the platform's risk evaluation models, vendor due diligence, and lending compliance tools directly to your business. If you're tired of manual compliance tracking and want to turn regulatory burdens into a strategic advantage, Ncontracts is definitely worth checking out. Head to ncontracts.com to book your demo and let us know in the comments how your team currently handles compliance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more software tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.